Okay, I'll do another quick walkthrough. I found my other wall hanging shelf there. It wouldn't fit between the studs, but it fits right to the outside of them, so it don't stick out from the wall too far. So I think what I can do is come in here and extend these little shelves. This used to go on a flat wall, but if I made my shelves go all the way back to the back wall here, I could put shelves in this and put stuff in it. I found a couple of books. This is one of the first books I ever read. Well, maybe I should say it this way. It's the first book I ever read that wasn't a school book where some teacher said you had to read see Dick, see Jane, see Dick, see Jane, see Spot, see the ball, see Spot chase the ball, that kind of thing. This is the best loved poems of the American people. I've read this book, and I've read certain poems in this book over and over and over when I was probably just barely old enough to read, but I was fascinated by poetry, so I read a lot of that. Something else, I was over at Jeff's a while ago and he gave me a couple of wheel bearings. Now these came off of his Studebaker. He's got a 54 Studebaker. This axle is a 30, I think it's a 33 Plymouth axle. And I thought, well, he put disc brakes on the front of his Studebaker, and I thought, well, his old bearings might fit this, and he's got the hubs that go with it. When I gave this to Todd took the hubs off and threw them away. He said they weren't no good. I don't know if that's true or not, but they're gone. But he gave me these, and he's going to give me his old hubs so I can put wheels on this and put this under that boat trailer. And this is what I've been wanting to do all along, but I was afraid I was going to wind up having to cut this off and put some new spindles out here. But since he's got hubs that'll work on that, then I can use them, and that will be good. That'll be real good. So there's that. I dug out my dad's old Simmons sign, and rather than hanging it on the wall, I just set it up there. That way it'll help add a little extra light back in this back corner, and it'll be safe up here. I don't have to worry about it falling down and breaking. I'm gradually getting to a point where I can pull out some more stuff. But I got a little warm, so I'm going to go up the house and jump in the pool again. And then we'll come back after a while. Oh, joy.